A lot of offensive rebounding here by Barangay Ginebra to help their cause. Eric Link fumbling it. Sunday is open. Kiko Adriano. Pinisi over to Kiko Adriano. Labang kay Mark Kagiwa. Stop and go. Action. Ayun na naman. Inagaw na naman na Ginebra. Ito na si Paulo Artado. Goodbye.
Another turnover, another point off turnover para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
Samantala si Mike Rayback comes up with an air ball. Jojo Duncil is blocked. Binigay kay Rafi Rivas. Dinabas Jojo Duncil. Inagaw. Duncil tuloy-tuloy. And a reverse award.
Wide open.
Tian Tresian para kay Mark Kagiwa.
And Adriano, kaya nalibre si Mark Kagiwa. And you can't leave him open. Ito si Mark Kagiwa.
No way. Jojo Duncil goes the other way. Pilipit ang pasa. Celino Cruz. Ito na si Paul Artadi. Tumira na naman sa labas. Eric Mick with the offensive board. Ito sinasabi na. And it is a 21-point lead. Sipin mo hanggang ngayon ha, umpisa po against Rivas. Ang hirap naman ang tira nila. And doon sila na-score.
One thing's for sure, Coach Yengia will go deep into his bench, find out who is the hot guy for the day. Right now, si Duncil pa lang kumukuha ng magandang puntos.
Yes, Pinisi. Nahorda season opening. Salvacion all over him. And Nahorda will have a three-point play on.
They're putting in their bench guys. Leo Nahorda this time around, he's got a chance for a three-point play. Jojo Duncil, who came from the bench, he's pero nakaka-deliver sila.
Well, marami nga nang sasabi.
At saka kailangan sumunod ka.
Yes. Yun ang prinsipyo ng Red Bull. Ang prinsipyo ng Boy Scout. Laking handa. Hey! Ito naman. May isang laking handa si Mark Kagiwa. Nick Pinisi. Back to Nahorda. Nahorda sumaksak. And the losing Helterbrand. Helterbrand looking at his partner. But instead goes to Sunday. Nakawakan na si Adam Parada. Nahorda. Celino Cruz. Nick Pinisi from way out. Yeah, finally.
9 attempts. Look at Barangay Ginebra. They've already made 4 3-pointers.
Junti Valenzuela. Optik na. Medyo malakas lang. Celino Cruz, nandun sa ngayon na Honda sa baba, pero Celino wants to take the three to and he shakes it. Tres para kay Celino Cruz. And this is the biggest run so far engineered by Red Bull in this game. They've cut the nahirapan sila kanina, no? And Magnolia took game 1 to the tune of 113 to 87. Near steal. Nakuha ulit ni Kagiwa. Binigay kay JJ. Libre. Pero wala. Over to Jojo Duncil. Hinabol pa niya yung bola. Pero nandun na si Junti. Celino Cruz. Pumor pa na naman. Pero wala.
Barangay Ginebra, pinasok na nila yung import nila just to quell this run.
And here's Chris Alexander. Siya na kaagad ng pinag... Eric Meng. Kagiwa. Labang kay Duncil. And he shoots over Jojo Alexander.
Eksakto. Di naman siya kalakihan, pero inatrasan niya lang.
And Celino Cruz on the other side scores another TM threat. Dahil kanina lang, 21 yan. Eric Nick. Series between Magnolia and Air 21. Magnolia nanalo po against the import loss.
Alam ko, nakasakay na sa aeroplano. Hindi lang alam kung
saan papunta. Sana mo makibili ang kinabili. At 12 na naman. Ayan na naman ang agaw ng counter steal. But agaw ni Eric Meg.
Pambura lang ng pagkakamali.
Kagiwa playing hide and seek with Celino Cruz. Leo Nahorda to Adam Parada. Balik kay Nahorda pero natapik ni Adam Parada. Balik kay Nahorda pero natapik ni Junti Valenzuela. Off now to JJ Helterbrand. And the pass to Eric Meg. Lamang kay Alexander. Inside to Jojo Duncil. Parada ulit. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Ay, lumas pero nandun sa Leo Nahorda.
Iniinom naman paloob.
Pinulunok. Junti's pass is broken up by Parada. Jojo Dulcin against JJ. Oh, Chris Alexander on the trail with another shot block.
What a job not to give up on that play para kay Chris Alexander.
Ano sinasabi ko? Yung mga paikot-ikot sa ring, lumalabas sa...
Alam niya, nandun si Chris Alexander.
speaking of Chris Alexander, struggling in...
Most of their guys are starting to get back in shape. One of the guys, ito nga si Rafi Rivas.
And Chris Alexander displaying awesome form on the Yakult.
And that's a 4-point swing dahil yung layup na yun, pinigil ni Chris Alexander.
Dulcin. Junti. Binigyan ng pick ni Eric Wenk. Parada. Ay, nandun sila Horda sa ilalim. Hindi nakita. Way back!
Out because they didn't compete in the quarterfinals.
Ano na tagal yun? It was 2 weeks sila.
Sila less than 2 weeks para sa Red Bulls because they played in the final day of the elimination.
That's right. Selena Cruz versus that one from top of the key.
It's gonna putuhan ng takbuhan parehong kapunan.
Tala JJ Halcobrand. Junti Valenzuela with a second lang na ito from the free agent pool. Uy! Carlos Baguio, walang mapuntahan. He picks it up. Kinaliwa. Wala. Oh! Grabe na ngayon na Honda. Ano? Kayo lang ba pwede? Mga magic. Parada. Puntilla. La Horda, sumaksak sa loob. Adam Parada. Pero nung pinasok ni Coach Yang, si Jojo Dulcin, 13. After that free throw by Adam Parada. Second one is also good. First two. And Rafi Rivas trying to stay na lang ito rin.
But here's Barangay Ginebra, and yung lineup nila slowly nabubuo except for that injury to Ronald Tutu.
By Ginebra, they've got a 13-point lead. They've got 14 na naman. Rivas makes both. Reed Huntilla. Leo na Horda, nandun si Alexander. Pinalobong Huntilla. Reed Huntilla with the offensive. Pagka kasama ka dyan sa lineup na, kailangan magpakitang gilas ka talaga. And Parada has a shot block pagkatapos umikain ka. Cyrus Baguio tied up. Naku, medyo pipilay-pilay si Adam Parada. Pagkatapos po ng kanyang shot block na yun, overextend siguro yan, na strain.
Talagang hinabol niya yung bola na yun. And felt it right after.
Paul Artadi, Kadiwa, soft shot. And Sunday Salvacion with the loose ball recovered. Cyrus Baguio, dinabas kay Leo na Horda. Reed Huntilla. Uy, kasundutan na. But Nick Pinisi recovers it. Ito na naman si Huntilla against Kadiwa. Back to Pinisi inside to Parada. Hindi makatalon no? Yun ang problema pala. Whoa! Another!
They've been missing a lot.
Yeah. Ito naman mga kaibigan, yung pangalawang Yakult slam dunk, Yakult Alexander. Puntilla tries another 3-point shot and comes up short. Kadiwa. Ay, yung pase. Cyrus Baguio gets around Artadi. Tatlo pa lang ang assist. Kasi nga marami tayong mga one-on-one plays na nakikita. Sigurado ka dyan. Chris Alexander na naman. Sakit. Mark Kadiwa. Steal. Almost. Pero sahig. So 2-second play here para sa Red Bull. Let's see if they got something up their sleeves. Si Reed Huntilla ang maglalabas ng bola. Tumanggap si Cyrus Baguio and he takes it from long. Uy, tumama sa ring, ha? Not bad. But